Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the latest rumors and speculations about the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. It's been a roller coaster ride with conflicting reports, and we're here to break it all down for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Yesterday, a wild rumor surfaced claiming that Samsung might ditch the S25 Plus model and only launch the Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra in January. This rumor was based on the fact that the IMEI database didn't yet contain the S25 Plus model number, unlike the S24 series last year. This argument seemed weak because it's still 6 months before the phone's expected launch. There's plenty of time for the S25 Plus to be added to the IMEI databases. However, the speculation gained traction because the S25 Plus is reportedly the least sold model in Samsung's flagship lineup. Mere hours after the initial rumor, another source came forward to refute it. According to this source, Samsung is still developing three models for the S25 series: the S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. These models are codenamed F1, F2, and F3, with model numbers SMS 931, SMS 936, and SMS 938, respectively. So, who should we believe? It's still too early to say for sure. If Samsung is indeed dropping the S25 Plus, we'll likely hear more about it in the coming weeks and months. If not, this rumor might just fade away. Thanks for watching. What do you think about these rumors? Will Samsung drop the S25 Plus or stick with its usual trio of models? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all the latest tech news. Until next time, stay tech savvy.